guys. The tripod's a bit wobbly. Yeah, you see it's pretty good in that side. Oh dear, it's pretty good in that side. Got a bit of muck on you. Oh, there. There's that. It's pretty good in that side. Yeah, in there. Not in not that end. So I'll have to do the same as what I've done on the other side. As you can see, it's all gone down in there as well. I've still got to do all this here, but until I cut out any more there, I think what I'm going to do is finish this bit through here and in there, weld all that up, give it a bit of strength, because it's I've done all this is done now, but obviously you can see it's all gone under there as well. So there we go. Crack on. Now, I'm going to start on this one. I've already cut the floor out, as you can see, and I've done the back panel, so all the strength is back in here again, this piece here, which is what I needed. I've propped it up underneath, and just got to cut it out and get on with it, so let's go.